We're now to the accessories section. We'll start with a simple one. This is an alarm, and we buy this just from Amazon. You can buy this from Amazon by yourself, but we can plug this into a designated alarm outlet, configure the outlet so that when everything's fine, there's power, but when something goes wrong, there is no power. This is used in freezers and things like that, so it's just an off-the-shelf item. We like this one because it is inexpensive. It uses a AA battery. It has a very obvious on-off switch, so once you know that there's a problem, if you just unplugged it, it would stay on. So you can turn it off so that you don't have to hear it while you're solving the issue. And it doesn't take up a lot of room in the plug, so you plug this in. The other versions of this are much larger, and they take up a fair amount of real estate in your outlets. So we like this. You can use anything. We suggest potentially you plug a light in to the outlet, and when there's an alarm, the light will come on. So if you see that light on, you know that there's a problem with your tank. But we found that loud beeping noises are something that gets your attention. The other half is leak detection. Leak detection, of course, is very important, and we don't like to leave anything to chance. So this leak detector is made by Dwyer, and it is a standalone leak detector. It has a battery in it. It has its own alarm. When the battery gets low, just like your smoke detector, it'll start beeping and telling you noise. You can test it very easily by just wetting your finger and pressing it on those two silver contacts. The battery is separate from during shipment, so you need to remove the cover, take off the little insulator that keeps the battery from running down while it's being stored. All we do to this device is we add one of our vent termination cables. So this is soldered and then heat shrinked over it. Then we pack it back in the original box. This allows you to plug it right into your normal system. So you have the advantage of a freestanding thing. So even if you didn't have this device wasn't working, power was off, this still works. This is a battery-powered leak detector. But it also tells your system and can remotely notify you via the Hydra-MTS system that you have a water problem in your tank. We suggest you buy one of these for each floor that your area you're in. So if all your tanks are next to each other, you just need one. But if you have one on the second floor, you might want to consider two. You can plug them in. You can also configure in the software, you'll see it, what to turn off. So if you're using an external canister filter and your hose comes off and you're pumping water all over your living room, you can turn that canister filter off automatically. So that's part of the software configuration.